Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys some very easy sweet and savory snacks that you can make for Valentine's Day breakfast, brunch or evening. Now let's get started. So here I have prepared dough with some salt, sugar and roasted black sesame seed for flavor. You can use plain dough or add anything you want. And here I have some Arabian fresh cheese. I don't know what type of cheese this is exactly, but I bought this because it says fresh cheese. And of course, you can use whichever one you want. So here I have rolled out the dough and cut it in heart shaped using the cutter, and then simply deep frying them in oil. Okay, if you guys have seen my last video, which was Valentine's Day breakfast video, you know that I lost my cutter and used knife, which was so hilarious. So do check that out if you haven't already. Okay, so this was the first way, which is the simplest way that you can make some heart-shaped cute looking breads. Next, I'm cutting some more heart-shaped pastries and adding some fresh cheese in the center for the filling, and then I'm adding another layer of pastry on top of that. Yeah, then I'm using a fork to seal the edges and also to give some nice look to the pastries. I'm going to make a few like this and then deep fry them just like I did the last one. Here how it looks after it's cooked. It was cheesy and I really loved it, this one. Next you can add some jam. Here I'm using the red plum jam and I'm putting it on top of the cheese and then covering it with another layer of the pastry, just like I did the second one, and then deep frying this one too. So this one will be sweet. So this one is so easy and you can have so many options. I'm telling you guys, you can use strawberry jam, you can use meat, you can use veggies, any kind of stuffing that you like or your partner like, you can use those to create this. And like I said, I made it three ways: plain, second one was with cheese, and then the third one was with cheese and jam. So yeah, the options are endless for this one, I'm telling you guys. The next thing was the healthier option, since I have already made some deep fried ones. So here I'm melting the chocolate chip in a bowl. It just takes like 30 seconds or so. So I'm melting it here, and then I had some fresh strawberries that I have already washed and kept it on a side. So I'm going to dip the strawberries in these melted chocolate. Then I have this plate ready with the parchment paper, and I will put my chocolate dipped strawberries here so that it does not get stick to the plate. And then I will keep it in the refrigerator so that the chocolate will cool down and stick to the strawberries. There's one thing that I forgot is to drizzle the white chocolate on top of it. I actually brought white chocolate to drizzle once it's cold, but I completely forgot when I was serving. So maybe I will do it on Valentine's Day. I hope I don't forget then. Okay, next thing what I did was, actually it was to my surprise, came out really good. I wanted to decorate my plate, so I melted some more chocolate and I put cold milk on that, and it actually turned out like brownies. So I would just wanted to decorate my plate with this one, but even this one was so delicious that we ended up eating this one. So yeah, you see here, it looks dark, like dark chocolate, and I'm melting it some more, and I'm going to put some more milk in this one, cold milk, and it will be like a brownie. And then I will just give it a shape and put it in my plate. So here it is. I decorated it like a heart shaped and chocolate shape, and it was actually delicious. I could have just put some nuts and all. Now here I have a box full of chocolates that I brought from Fannie Mae. And here I have two cups that has heart-shaped prints on them, which was perfect for this Valentine's Day. I'm not going to use this now, but it's an idea for Valentine's Day exactly. I can use this for hot chocolate or coffee or anything I want. And then what is a Valentine's Day without some red roses? So here I have a bunch of fresh red roses in a flower vase on my table. And this is just to create a perfect ambience for Valentine's Day. So guys, these were my ideas to create an easy, simple Valentine's Day or stay at home Valentine's Day. If you guys have liked this video, please share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. Thank you.